Check out this complete detailing kit by Chemical Guys. The Torx Orbital Polisher spreads the perfect coat of wax, glaze, or sealant.
If your car's paint is looking dull, this kit makes it super easy to bring back the shine. If winter has left your car looking dull, you need this Chemical Guys Torque Polishing Kit.
It comes with all these pads that you see here. They're really easy to stick on. They stay on with the Velcro-like aspect.
You could actually fix your hair in the reflection. This kit actually removes surface scratches instead of just hiding them.
This thing is a mini magician. My car in the background here is an 89 and it has completely polished up and shined up the original paint job.
Today we're going to show you guys how quick and easy it is to remove and equip the backing plate on your torque polisher. So first things first, you want to locate the wrench that comes with your polisher. Then you want to grab the wrench and stick it in between the housing and the backing plate until it locks onto the hex nut, and then go ahead and twist that loose. Don't forget to remove the washer from the backing plate. To re-equip it, all you have to do is lock down the hex nut, twist it, make sure that it's tightened very securely, and you're all good to go.
Click the link in the description in your location to secure yours today. Thanks for watching.